Hey all, and welcome to another video. So today we're going to set up this Hikvision intercom using the screen as the control panel essentially. Okay, so this is a Villa kit, and I'm going to quickly show you our setup. We have our PoE switch here, and it's got two main cables, one connected to our door station and one connected to our screen. And we also have a third cable here which is connected to our router. Alright guys, so pretty straightforward setup. We're going to go to the screen now and show you how to set it up. So we need a password. So I'm going to use CCTV 12345. I advise something a bit more secure. Okay, we don't need an email. We go okay. So we're going to select our language, English. Go next. Okay, we want to enable DHCP, guys. All right. So just click on the button in the top right hand corner and you'll see the IP address has changed. So that's what we want to see. Perfect. We go next. Now we have to put in a password here. So we just click on here and we put in the same password as we just entered at the beginning. Oops. Okay. Alright, so we go okay. Now we go to the next part. Now this is about getting your intercom on your phone. We're going to cover this in another video, guys, so we're just going to go next for now. Alright, this is our door station, so now we have to link them together. So we click on this cog device to activate it. Yes, we want to activate it, thank you. But now we also have to enable DHCP on here. So we click on here again, and we click on this DHCP number slider here, and it should change the IP address, okay? So we're looking for IP address that's similar to the other one. And let me see if it's changed it. Alright, sometimes you guys, you've got to be careful with these things. Alright, now it's changed it. 192.168.1.101. Perfect. So we go finish. And that should be the wizard run through. Alright, so now it's going to hit the doorbell and it should ring. There we go, guys. That's a quick setup. And we're going to have more videos about some more little features regarding this intercom system. So thanks for watching and hopefully catch you on another one. Cheers. Bye-bye.